Namaste students. In last lecture we have learned how to find the area of combination of plane figures. We have done examples also. So in today's lecture I am doing some questions from exercise 12.3. First of all, I have taken question number 1 of the exercise. In this question they have given us a circle. In this circle they have shaded a part and they are asking us to find the area of this shaded part. And you can see that here it is a semicircle, and out of that semicircle one part is triangle. So that means if we want to find the area of the shaded region, for that if we calculate area of sector, area of triangle, then from area of sector we subtract area of triangle, we will be getting the area of this shaded part. Let us start doing it. First of all, when we say area of sector, for area of sector we need radius, but radius is not given in the question. So first of all we will be finding the radius. How to find radius? First of all we will be finding this RQ. Look at this angle. This angle is 90 degree. Why? If I write angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. We have learned this thing in 9th class that whenever a semicircle is there and any angle is formed in semicircle, this angle is of 90 degree. So when I am writing this angle RPQ equals to 90 degree, as a reason I will be writing angle in a semicircle. Now if this angle RPQ is 90 degree, that means this is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle base is 7, perpendicular is 24. That means using Pythagoras theorem we can find hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle RPQ we can write that RQ square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. Now 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. Adding the two, I will be getting 625. This 625 we have obtained RQ square. So if I move this square to this side, I will be getting under root of 625, that is 25. So this hypotenuse we have obtained 25 centimeter, and this is passing through the center, it means it is diameter. So diameter we have obtained 25 centimeter. If diameter is 25, that means radius is 25 by 2. Now as we have obtained radius, we will be finding the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle will be pi r square upon 2. Semicircle means half of the circle. So pi will be taking 22 by 7. R we have obtained 25 by 2. 25 by 2. And this half is already here. So I will take now 1, 2 and 22 are cancelled. So we are left with 25 into 25 into 11. 625 into 11. So we obtain 6875 upon 7 to the 14 to the 28 centimeters square. So this we have obtained area of sector. Now we will be calculating area of triangle. Now for finding area of triangle PRQ, we will be using formula half base into height, because this triangle I have already told you is a right angle triangle. Now base is 7 and hypotenuse is 24. So we'll be finding the area by half into 7 into 24. After cancellation, we'll be getting the area as 84 centimeter square. Area of shaded region will be area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector we have already obtained 6875 upon 28. Area of triangle we have obtained 84. So we will be taking LCM. 28 multiplied by 84 will give us 2352 upon 28. So after subtraction we will be getting 4523 upon 28 centimeters square as the area of the shaded region. I have taken question number 4 from exercise 12.3. In this question, they have given us a combination of a circle and a triangle, and they have shaded both the circle and the triangle, and they are again asking for the area of shaded portion. In this part, triangle is an equilateral triangle with each side as 12 centimeter. Circle is having a radius of 6 centimeter. So for finding the required area, we will be finding the area of triangle, we will be finding the area of circle. When we will be adding these two parts, circle and triangle, you see this sector portion, we will have to subtract. Because when we are calculating this circle, this part is coming. And when we are calculating triangle, again this part is coming. So this part is coming 2 times. So we will be finding the area of sector. Then from the combination of circle and triangle, we will be subtracting this area of sector to get a required area. So area of circle, radius is 6 centimeters. So area of circle will be pi r square. After calculation I have got 792 upon 7 centimeters square. Triangle. Triangle is an equilateral triangle. It's given in the question. So area of triangle will be √3 upon 4 into side square. √3 side is 12. So we have obtained 12 these are 36 √3 centimeters square. Now we will be calculating area of sector, that is pi r square theta upon 360. Pi r square means 792 upon 7. What is theta? Triangle is an equilateral triangle. So each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So theta will be 60 degree. 60 upon 360. Not cancelled. And here with 6. 6 ones are 6. Then 19. 6 threes are 18. 132. So we have obtained 132 upon 7 centimeters square. Now area of shaded region, area of triangle 36√3 plus area of circle 792 upon 7 minus area of sector 132 upon 7, all with centimeters square. Without going into deep calculation, we can keep it like this also. Here LCM is taken, then 792 minus 132. 660 upon 7. So area of required shaded region is 36√3 plus 660 upon 7 centimeters square. Further, I am doing question number 7 for you people. In this question, combination of square and circles is given. A square ABCD with side 14 cm is drawn. Now taking each vertex point of the square and radius as half of the side. Means if side is 14, taking radius as 7 centimeter, 4 circles are drawn at each vertex. We have to find the area which is left after, when we are drawing the circles, the area of the square that is not being covered by the circles. This area we have to calculate. For this, first of all, we have to calculate the area of square. In case of square, side is given to be 14 centimeter. And area of square, we know it's side into side. So area will be 14 into 14, 196 centimeters square. Now in case of sectors, we need radius. Radius is 7 and theta, as it is a square. So theta will be 90 degree. Radius will be 7 centimeter. So area of sector will be pi r square theta upon 360, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Theta is 90 upon 360. 7 got cut with 7. 90 4s are 2, 11. So we have obtained this area as 77 upon 2 centimeter square. So area of shaded part, what I have told you, from the square, these 4 sectors are being cut. So area of square minus area of 4 sectors. So 4 into area of 1 sector, 2. So 196 minus 154. So after subtraction, we will be getting 42 centimeters square. So this 42 centimeters square is the area of this shaded part.